Hands off Jacinta, hands off her, hands off Operation Dudula, hands off South Africans that are actually patriotic about this country. Guys, as the middle class, as the working class, it's time for us to wake up and help this lady kule fight yakhe. I think some of us forget imvelaphi zethu, unless ke wena you are lucky to have been born with a silver spoon, had medical aid your entire life, and have gone to private schools your entire life. If you have, great, hooray for you. But if you haven't, sukhawuleza ulibale apho usuka khona, sukhawuleza ulibale umakhulu wakho ba uvuka ngentseni ngo-5 ekuseni okanye ngo-4 ekuseni ahambe ayoshishiliza ekliniki imini yonke ngamanye amaxesha angayifumani naloo medication because iphelile igqitywa ngobani you know who, umakhulu wakho ngengomso neke aphinde avuke umakhulu wakho xa enide operation yokongulwa amehlo okanye i-operation yentliziyo, whatever the case it is, funeke alinde iinyanga neenyanga, most times resulting in the untimely deaths of omakhulu nootamkhulu bethu because of i-healthcare yethu that is collapsing. So khawuleza ulibala uba indlela wasokola ngayo ngoku wena wawufuna ufaka umntanakho esikolweni, living across the school, you walk wela nje struggle ube uyafika esikolweni. But the way I struggled to get my daughter into school, I had to jump through all sorts of hoops proving that we actually lived there, rates, papers, proof of address. Proof of address is not enough, but for rates ezibhalwe ifani yakho pha. Can you imagine that? Got the Bella bill today is saying that an undocumented child can automatically be accepted esikolweni. Are they not going to flock up in South Africa? Is there a country in the world that is so lawless? Is there a country in the world that is so unpatriotic about its citizens? How do you prioritize foreigners over your own citizens? And we're not saying that we hate foreigners. We don't hate you. We don't hate you at all, but we have to prioritize our own. I draw the line when it comes to children. Children are literally our future. Lena into yenzekayo ngoku, they are trying to collapse this country. They are trying to collapse the country, ababantu. If our children are not educated, is there a hope for our future? Already, it's so concerning the way that these foreign nationals come to South Africa and start having kids at 2 times, 3 times the rate that South African women are having children. They are gonna outnumber us. In a decade, they are gonna outnumber us. So what is a South Gerian? They are going to outnumber us. And Nina Clever blacks and the middle class and the working class, you are going to be the reason why we as South Africans are going to be extinct in our own country. You are going to be the reason. Because Nina ni taste a little bit of imali ngoku nicingani bhetele kunabantu abahluphekayo. You guys will be busy telling people, why ningayodudula abelungu? Why ningayodudula abelungu? We have the highest unemployment in the world. The majority of those people that are unemployed, they want those waitressing jobs. They want those jobs at the petrol stations. They are teachers, unemployed teachers. Kodwa kuqashwe foreign nationals, unemployed graduates, entry-level jobs. The majority of the youth, they need those entry-level jobs. Siyeza kwabelungu, but masingene emnyango qala. Masingene emnyango. Ufuna ngixela umuntu that's living off i-350 ka-government, uzomthini if siyodudula i-CEO ya PPP? Uzoyithini lona? What difference is that going to make ebomini bakhe? Guys, use your minds. Use your minds. These people are struggling on the ground. All of these shacks that you see all over our country, that is drawing a clear picture of the type of poverty that our people are in. Sinusixela ngabelungu siyeza kubo and asibalibelanga okwangoku on the ground, entry-level jobs abantu mabaphangele, guys. I-crime lena nina niyibalekayo nihambe niyohlala esabhabhu ngoku niqalisa uzibona i-mentality zenu zifane nezomariki. I-crime le nishiya komakwenu. Hayi man, hands off Jacinta. There can never ever be a case whereby a South African child does not have isikolo kube kukho a foreign child. That can never ever be the case. It can never be the case. Every single foreign national child must be on a waiting list until every single South African child that applied to that school has been taken. Then we can start taking the foreign national kids. And you know what's irritating about these foreign nationals? You tell us that we are lazy, South Africans are lazy, they don't want to work. But the moment you get into those schools, you are the first people to apply for those school exemptions. And you qualify for those exemptions easily because most of you are not documented. You don't work at jobs where you get pay slips. You get paid under the carpet, under the rug, under the mat, under the tires, under the tables, in cash. So if you go to that school and you tell them that I get paid 1,000 rand a month, they can't help there. They believe you. But me, as a South African, even if I can't afford that school fees, it's easy for them to trace that I have a tax number, that I get paid this amount of money, and then I end up drowning in debt trying to pay off the school fees and paying tax that's going to cover your exemptions. But you say that we are the lazy ones. Guys, I draw the line when it comes to children. Our children, if our children are uneducated, there is no hope for our future. There is no hope if our children are uneducated.
You know what? At this point, label me xenophobic. It's fine. I don't care. I am not okay with the fact that 90 South African kids are out of school. They are going to the beach in the same school where there's 600 kids that are foreign nationals. And I can be okay with that. I'm not. It's fine. Label me xenophobic. And the people that are labeling us xenophobic are the people who take their kids to private schools, go Churo, go Znos. They don't understand the pain these parents are facing. They don't have to. I mean, if those parents had a choice, they would take the kids to Churo as well, but they can't. They can't afford it. So what must those parents do, guys? What must they do? And for the fact that the government is now deciding to press charges against March and March, Operational Dudula, and Mkondo Wesizwe. Hi, guys.
Sanmarand, guys. Ezabuhlungu inhliziyo yami. uJacinta uzoboshwa aboshela ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso. Uma ungena eThekwini guys, izingane zethu zigcwele umgwaqo, amatende oplastic amanyama, khona abasebe nezingane, abafana namantombazane konke. Izwe lethu liyaphela sibhekile. Ngisho nawo ama-Nigerians aya-admitha ukuthi kunezinto enza wrong, adayisa ama-drugs ezweni lethu. Ama-Nigerians sifike sawenzela umusa, sawakhoselisa ezweni lethu. Ajika azolivandalize lona lelo zwe. Kuthiwa kodwa eSouth Africa sino-president. Mina ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi uRamaphosa unayo yini ingqondo. uRamaphosa wala eSouth Africa ngempela yini, noma mhlawumbe upendiwe wathathwa la athathwa khona kwathiwa akatho wase-South Africa azabe umongameli wase-South Africa. Amasende wona-ke ukuthi uyindoda, uyakwazi ukumela ubudoda bakhe, unawo manicabanga. Guys, upresident onjani ovumela yonke into eyenzekala, yonke into eyenzeka ezweni lakhe? Ama-drugs ayaphuma ayangena eSouth Africa, iy'ngane uyazibona ziba yizibotho. Iyiphi le future ayibuildayo uRamaphosa? Ubuilda i-future yamaphara. Umthetho wala eSouth Africa, abantu besifazane bayadlwengulwa, bayanqunywa, benziwa zonke izinto, akanandaba. Unendaba nokuthi-ke manje uma ukhuluma iqiniso usuyaboshwa. Abasibophe sonke, sizomsupporta uJacinta, sizomsupporta. Abasibophe sonke. Abangabophi yena kuphela, abasibophe sonke. Ngoba alukho udlame aligqugquzelayo, kodwa ukhuluma iqiniso. Ingane zethu zama-junkie, zizibotho, zamaphara. Izwe lethu liyaphela phambi kwethu. Yazi lento le eyamaphara yey'ngane ezihlala emgwaqeni esezamaphara ingikhumbuza ngosuku kade kuluthwa. Ngasikhathi kuluthwa wawubona iSouth Africa iphela phambi kwakho. Mina ngase ngikhala inyembezi ngoba angizange ngize ngiphume, ngangihlele endlini ngiyibuka ku-TV, ngibuka yonke into, amafemu, ngibuka ama-truck esha, ngibuka yonke into. Lento eyenzeka manje iyafana nangade kwenzeka umlutho, iyafana. Awukho umehluko. uRamaphosa uhleli ngoba yena ayikho ingane yakhe ehlala emgwaqeni, ayikho ingane yakhe edla izidakamizwa. Yena upholile phela ngithi unemali yonke. Kona-ke kade engakabi khona umongameli lo Ramaphosa, ukhona umuntu enanginamuzwa kuthiwa wakaRamaphosa. Nizothini ukuba uRamaphosa waseNigeria? Upendiwe kwathiwa wale South Africa engene wale South Africa. Yindoda enjani evuma ukuthi emzini wayo kwenzeke noma yini? Kudliwa ama-drugs, kwenzeka i-human trafficking, kuthathwa abantu badlwengulwe babulawe. Ngisho amaphoyisa ase-South Africa uma ngabe ungakafi abayikhulumi indaba yakho, bazi baphuthume ngoba sebekusuka khona isidumbu. Kodwa uma ngabe kusathiwa nje nangu umuntu uyakuthreatenisha, nangu umuntu ufuna ukukushaya, nangu umuntu ufuna ukwenzela lutho, abayingeni. Bafuna kuze kulala isidumbu phansi kuyimande befika futhi nakhona isingasekho into etheni abazoyenza. Guys, yizwe njani leli? Yizwe noma yini lesihleli kuyona? Yini lesihleli kuyona abafethu? Yini esihleli kuyona? Yazi guys, ngesikhathi zobandlululo kwakunzima. Kodwa uhulumeni wobandlululo mangaka amalokishi awakhile. Mangaka amahostela awakhile uhulumeni wobandlululo. Manje mangaka amahostela amasha asakhiwe manje. Mangake amahostela asakhiwe kulo hulumeni wentando yeningi. Mangaka amalokishi asakhiwe ngalo hulumeni wentando yeningi. Guys, amaphara ayekhona yini ngesikhathi sobandlululo? Lama drugs angena kangaka manje South Africa ayekhona yini ngaleso sikhathi? Guys, ngize ngincamele wona lo hulumeni wobandlululo wophathisa abazali bethu amapasi. Ngoba ingane manje sikitshela ubaba uthi hey baba okahle ongimele wena. Thina ngaleso sikhathi abazali bethu sibahlonipha kabi ngoba wawungamjwayeli ngisho umjwayele ngoba wayesebenza le eThekwini. Namhlanje bangaka abantu abayimquba, bangaka abantu abangasebenzi. Kulo hulumeni ke wentando yeningi. Guys, sithi sikhululekile ngani? Yini eyenza ukuthi sizitshele ukuthi sikhululekile? Ngoba manje ila sesicindezeleke khona more. Uhulumeni wethu uyasifeyila, isystem kwayona iyenza into yayo ethandwa yiyona. Guys, ake sivuleni amehlo. uJacinta uyoboshwa, uboshela ukukhuluma iqiniso. Namhlanje uzoboshwa uJacinta, kusasa kuzoboshwa wena. Uzolwa nengane yakhe ebhema drugs, kuboshwe wena. Iyekwe yona iqhubeka ibhema ama-drugs. Uhulumeni wethu uyasibulala, uyasiqeda, uyalibulala izwe lethu uyasiqeda. Wabonakala ngokuthi athi ingane azikhiphe izisu. Athi ingane kuyilungelo layo ukuthi mayimithi ingayifuni ingane ayikhiphi. Wabonakala ngokuthi ezikoleni izingane azingasashawa. Ingakho ingane senze izinto eziyithandayo zichwenza othisha, ingane athi uthisha uyafundisa iphume yoma eminyango yezinto ezithandayo. Ziphuza utshwala ziyabhema zenza konke akukho ezingakwenzi. Hayi ukuthi ngoba babefuna izwe lokuqala engilaziyo elithi mawuke wakhuluma iqiniso khona liyakubopha. Mekwakhuluma iqiniso nje, ubileyo mfana wakagwala owekumoja lavu naye owelwa nama-drugs. Angini naye wagcina eboshiwe. Wagcina naye sevikela impilo yakhe, evika izibhamu ngapha nangapha. Kwaze kwabuhlungu eSouth Africa. Uyazi ngiyakuthanda ukuba umZulu kodwa ukuba wase-South Africa hayi angathi angisakuthandi. Ukuba ikhona indlela yokuthi ngishintshe ngibe wakwelinye ilizwe ngabe ngiyashintsha. Ukuba nje ikhona indlela yokuthi ngishintshe ngibe wakwelinye ilizwe ngabe ngiyashintsha, ukazi uyibona into nje. Sasahlala, sasayiphila angazi thiwa yini comedy. Mhlambe necomedy ingcono. Doti phela lento esiphila le South Africa. Ukuthi nje wakhuluma iqiniso nje uyaboshwa. Wakhuluma iqiniso nje wathi wenza into eright, uzama ukulekelela ukuthi izwe alakheke, uyaboshwa eSouth Africa. Guys, lazi lamanyala izwe, lazi labola izwe. Ngaze ngalenyanya izwe ngihleli kulona. Ngingazi ukuthi ngizoyaphi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And South Africans are defending uJacinta Ngobese ngemva kokuthi avulelwe iqala lokuthi uhlukubeta abantu bokufika lana eSouth Africa ngemva kokuthi ayena neliqembu lakhe bayolwela abantu base-South Africa lapha e-Eddington primary bekavele etole enkantolo kanti abantu abaningi bakwata ngendlela lesimanga since people saying ukuthi kungani umuntu la South Africa makalwela amalungelo abantu bala South Africa kufanele aboshwe kufanele kuthiwe unelicala for protecting ama-South Africans and South Africa as a whole. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.